Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 27th October 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. In a surprising twist, Elon Musk has reportedly been in secret communication with Russian President Vladimir Putin since late 2022. According to a Wall Street Journal report, these discussions have continued into 2024. This coincides with Musk's increasing criticism of US military support for Ukraine and his involvement in the Republican election campaign. Notably, Putin requested Musk to refrain from activating his Starlink satellite service over Taiwan as a favor to Chinese President Xi Jinping. Initially, Musk's Starlink service provided crucial support to Ukraine after Russia's invasion in February 2022. However, relations between Musk and Ukrainian officials have since soured, leading to Musk restricting the service's use for military purposes. The Kremlin has denied any significant communication with Musk, with spokesperson Dmitry Peskov claiming their only interaction was a discussion about space technologies. Meanwhile, the US administration appears largely unaware of Musk's contacts with the Kremlin, raising concerns about the implications of such private communications. Elon Musk's past actions have come under scrutiny, as reports reveal he worked illegally in the United States in 1995 after dropping out of Stanford University to pursue his first company, Zip2. This revelation contrasts sharply with Musk's current anti-immigration stance and support for Donald Trump's campaign, which emphasizes strict immigration policies. Legal experts have noted that foreign students are not permitted to drop out and start businesses, even if unpaid, and that Musk's situation likely constituted a violation of his student visa. Musk has previously described his immigration status during that time as a legal grey area, claiming he was allowed to do work related to his studies. The Washington Post highlights that while overstaying a student visa is common, it remains illegal. Musk's past actions are now under scrutiny, especially as he has been vocal about immigration issues, accusing Democrats of importing voters through illegal immigration. The article discusses the significant role Elon Musk plays in shaping America's future, likening his influence to that of a superhero in a comic book narrative. As the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has established cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities that have positioned the US ahead of China in the space race and maintained Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle market. His ability to innovate and coordinate large teams is highlighted as a unique talent that sets him apart from other entrepreneurs. However, the piece also raises concerns about the concentration of power in Musk's hands, suggesting that such power can lead to idiosyncratic risks and potential corruption. Musk's recent interactions with Vladimir Putin have sparked debate about his loyalties and the implications for US foreign policy, with some speculating that he may prioritize internal cultural battles over external threats. The article argues that Musk's entrepreneurial spirit is crucial for America's defense against authoritarian regimes, emphasizing the need for a collective effort between Musk and the nation to counter threats from leaders like Xi Jinping and Putin. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.